Cyber is a system integrator and trusted technology partner to help enterprise modernization and achieve digital transformation journey. Today I am going to speak on banking customer onboarding automation process using RPA and AI solution. A typical customer onboarding process involves multiple activities. It starts with evaluating the customer requirements, legal aspects, account opening, and making it operational. The challenges faced by the banks are extremely complicated and time consuming. Wastage of time due to the documentation and duplication of data entry is manual and paper based. Excessive onboarding turnaround time, lack of transparency, legacy system interaction, and inability to manage the customer expectations, which leads to customer frustration due to delay in the overall process. To overcome all these challenges associated with the customer onboarding process, banks need to enhance and enrich their processes and then implement the control mechanism in a streamlined manner. Royal Cyber's RPA and AI based solution helps to streamline the customer onboarding process. Let's walk through the customer onboarding digital workflow journey. Customer registration process. A customer has the option of applying an online account through mobile or web based channel. Queries related to the documentation requirements, annual fees, and minimum balance are answered via rule based chatbot. Queries such as determining the appropriate credit card are intelligently routed to best fit agent through an AI based intelligent routing system. Document verification process. Royal Cyber's OCR NLP solution used for character recognition and computer vision for object detection. AI engine can be custom trained for ID card detection and biometric based user validation for facial recognition. Then RPA bot pulls out the customer data. If there is any mismatch within the identification, it will notify the customer through SMS or email services. KYC verification process. An RPA bot pulls out the customer information from public database or consumer reporting agencies. RPA bot then connects with the internal system to extract or review the existing customer information within the bank. RPA bot reviews the customer history in real time using the Royal Cyber ML-based fraud detection mechanism and determines whether to approve or reject the application. Based on the confidence level, it automatically notifies the customer about the application status. Account setup or account opening process. An RPA bot enters the customer data into all relevant systems. Then it sends the application for approval purpose. Approval status will be notified to the customer. If it is approved, welcome kit will be sent to the customer. The customer can log into his or her account anytime, anywhere on the go. RPA bot prevents the unauthorized user from accessing the customer account by adding digital signature and multi-layer authentication technique. Queries such as account features and PIN generation are answered via rule-based chatbot. Relationship initiation process. RPA bots monitor the customer behavior within the bank to assist the relationship manager to personalize the customer relationship like information related to the savings account, providing loans, etc. Bots builds end-to-end customer journey maps to help relationship manager to identify the pain points and drive the proactive reach outs. Query management process. A customer raises a support request from any channel such as voice, email, chat, or social media, but agent treats every interaction as a separate and unrelated. An RPA bot extracts the customer information available across the structured, semi-structured, or unstructured data sources to provide the agent with a unified customer view, and then it automatically assigns the problem to the problem or query management tool such as ServiceNow or any other ITSM tools. The proposed solution approach will help the banks to streamline the process, which will drastically cut down the repeated front and back office operations and help increase the productivity. Services for processes such as credit check and KYC authentication will accelerate the revenue by decreasing the onboarding time. Simplified and automated process will reduce the base cost and increase the customer experience. For more information about intelligent automation and RPA, visit royalcyber.com.